Press the Bin Release tab to remove the bin and turn the robot upside down. Loosen the side brush screw with a screwdriver and remove the side brush. Remove the 4 screws to remove the bottom cover. Remove the bottom cover. Remove the 4 screws that retain the cleaning head module. Remove the existing cleaning head module. Replace the cleaning head module. Tighten the 4 retaining screws. Install the bottom cover. Tighten the 4 retaining screws. Install the side brush and tighten the side brush screw. Install the bin, and you're ready to clean.